Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today we are visiting 79th, and it's a pretty windy day down here. We've seen some interesting action, and let's see how our crew fares as they pull up to the dock. I always get interested when I see these big mats stuffed on the side of a boat. You definitely want to make sure you're trying to dock on the opposite side that mat's on, because I always see everybody stumbling all over them. So cab's moving way down. Gonna reverse it back, but you can tell by the flags on top, once again, it's a windy day. The wind has been giving everybody fits down here today as they've tried to dock. So Cap's going to turn around and come back into the wind, probably a wise move. On a really windy day, it's nice sometimes to let the wind push you into the dock, but when it's really windy, what happens is you can lose control, and the wind can push you into the dock faster than you want to be pushed. Typically on really windy days, those days I like to power back into that wind. It is a more difficult dock approach though. Cap's coming in a little hot on this one though. That wind's not going to slow him down that much. Oh, and we smack the dock on number 2. And nobody's really going for the dock, so Cap doesn't have any lines in his hand. It looks like his buddy does, but he's still not really going for the dock. So it's tough to tell from this angle. For a minute I thought he stepped onto the dock, but it looks like he's still in the boat, and Cap is rolling off and is gonna have to try this one again. So the quick brake check, he's gonna throw it into reverse, come back. And here comes our Wellcraft over on 6, again into the wind as well. But this crew appears to have a little better luck than our other captain. But even still, you can see how fast it's trying to push the stern of the boat back off. So our captain's getting it turned around here. He is struggling to get the Larson just turned back around even. Cap's moving back forward, coming in a little hot again. Gotta watch that speed. Gonna turn in on the dock. I mean, he's got to be rubbing against it now. Once again, somebody's got to make a move to go for the dock. So our guy in the end either needs to do a line toss or something, and he jumps off. It's not attached! He left, and the line wasn't attached to the boat. So he's gonna try and get it on there now. As Cap struggles to get the boat under control. And he's off the dock. There's no way he got that line attached. And in all this, somebody has snaked in on him. You can see another car in front of him here that's about to drop a jet ski on this dock. But I got a feeling they got plenty of time to do so. So Cap's going to try and turn it around one more time. It should be an easier approach. I mean, he's got an assist on the dock now. So our guy could toss a line to the captain even and just pull him in. He could grab the bow of this boat if he gets it close enough and walk him up. Several options. And he's gonna miss again. Cap is really struggling trying to get this thing put up. And our guy in the jet ski that launched has put the jet ski in the middle of the dock, basically. Instead of pulling it forward or back where the dock can be used, and now Cap's a little confused on what to do. And Cap's obviously not happy about this one. Oh, careful, coming in hot again. Don't let tempers flare, bro. You still got to get this boat on the dock, and even in a calm state, you were struggling. But the jet ski, I mean, he definitely could have pulled that further forward. I mean, my man, he had to see this guy come in on this dock 3 times now. Is Cap gonna make a move on it with the jet ski there even? That would be the question. And what would you do? Let me know in the comments below. If this was the situation, somebody just launched onto your dock. And these guys are obviously yelling at each other, and it looks like we're gonna have an officer get involved. So it looks like our jet ski guy is either going to move the ski or jump on and take off. And I'll tell you what, Captain's doing a pretty good job holding the boat right here. I mean, this is the best he's looked. All right, so we've moved the jet ski. Now the pressure's on. Oh, and he's just gonna run into the dock again. I mean, jet ski guys gotta know this dude's having a bad day. Cut him a little slack, maybe. So, no, they're still gonna. Oh, things are getting heated down here at the boat ramp for sure. So, jet ski guy moves over to the other side. Our dude with the Larson's going to try and get this back on. And he's going to miss again. His buddy who's on the dock really's got to find a way to give my man an assist. I mean, he should easily be able to walk this guy up. We just got to get him close enough. What up? So our crew's coming back around. Let's see if he's got it this time. And no, I can tell already. Man, this is brutal to watch. Cap, just get close. Oh no, he's going after the other dock. There's a boat there. Hits the dock. Hits the boat. Oh my. At least he's on a dock. But there's nobody over there, but he ran into the boat in front of him. Hit the dock. Oh my gosh. Cap. Turn it off. Just at this point, the wind's pushing that way. Just turn it off. Leave it. So don't leave the helm. So Cap leaves the helm, goes to the stern. This is mind-boggling. And he gets it turned around. Oh my gosh. So far, we've hit 2 different docks, 1 dock multiple times, and a boat. Now, his buddy's running from the other dock over to this one, but I have a feeling Cap's not going to want to stay on the dock after he hit the boat. He's going to try and go back to this other side. Man. You know, it's a tough call because I'm wondering if the nerves have gotten to him. Not nerves, but the frustration, you know, where he was yelling at the other guy made him just kind of boil over a little bit. But he was struggling before that, so I don't want to put the blame on that. And it's a windy day. I can see where some of this stuff could go wrong. But man, on that last one, bro, I would have just... Somebody... Oh, careful. Guys, if you're down here at this dock by now, you got to know to stay away from this Larson. So his buddies come back over. And here we go again. So we're going to go at this one more time, try and make another approach. We've got 2 people on the dock this time as the officer looks like he's ready to jump in and give a hand as well. And reach out and touch someone. It looks like our guy maybe has the bow rail. No, Cap hits the throttle. He winds up losing it. And our guy's going to get off the dock and get back onto the boat. I mean, I guess that's the play. He can at least try and get a line attached. And we've got 2 for action going right now as our other vessel's sliding off as well. So this crew, same deal, struggling to get onto the dock. Gonna have to walk the bow rail up. But these guys should be good to go. So they'll walk this one up, and our other vessel's actually getting onto the dock on the other side, just kind of to the wrong direction, but we'll pan back over here in just a moment. And as we mentioned, the crew is on the dock, kind of. So Cap's holding onto the dock. We get the first toss of the rope. It's a miss. And there we go. And our officer's going to jump into action here and help them walk this one around. But what a crazy scene. It took these guys a little bit of time to get this one done, but finally they get it on the dock, and they should be good to go from here. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.